December, your presence was eagerly awaited. It's time. Finally, November was a great month indeed, guys. November, we're always going to remember forever. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around $1.94, 113. Check this out though, okay? I don't really think we're going to pull back. We have proof in today's video, guys, from within the charts. Wouldn't that be something to witness? When people are literally keep on calling for a pullback is going to happen. A pullback needs to, quote unquote needs to happen. No, it doesn't, guys. Right? We have entered the month that I've been waiting for, which is finally December. Here we go. It's going to be a very jam-packed video. Mr. Pool is back. Charts, riddles to connections to news and all these things. Let's go. Now, guys, we're from part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. What do we see here, guys? Well, hello, December from Mr. Pool. I think the only 2 months he ever stated pointed to were August and December, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so December seems to be very significant if you ask me. Hello, December. I wonder what's going to happen this month. I'm pretty sure we're going to go higher and higher and higher. Why? Ripple just confirmed the idea. Escrow was released, guys. 200 million, 300 and 500 million XRP were transferred from unknown wallet back to Ripple. Then they just locked up 500 million XRP, guys, in escrow at Ripple. That's it. The train is not going to stop. Actually, this rocket ship isn't. Oh, there it is. Another update. 270 more million XRP locked in escrow at Ripple. Good luck, guys. I wish you guys the best of luck, because I don't think we're going to see any pullbacks. This isn't financial advice. Please do not listen to me. Right? It's just a feeling, and maybe perhaps something to do with the charts here soon. December as we know it, or as they know it, which they told us to know. Well, December is the month of psst, boom. Okay? Only month, guys. The only month that the bear pointed to that says we're going to moon. Okay. A lot of already a lot of beautiful connections. Now comes the real deal. Mr. Pool comes about. He tweeted this out yesterday, guys. And so there's a lot of things happening, okay? Let's check out this picture. We see a clock. Interesting. A lot of people are pointing to the stockings, which shows green, red, green. Or could it just be Christmas themed? The candles appear as it seems 2 on the left, 3 on the right. Okay, a bear in the middle. Candles, what's representing the charts? A fireplace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Interesting. Is it going to be completion this month? Aha! Guys, that's hilarious. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13. 5. Interesting. I don't know, guys. We got 3. But I'm pretty sure completion is here soon, right? I sound schizophrenic, guys. But I'm just trying to see the numbers, if he is pointing towards any. Now, you ain't seen nothing yet. Exactly, guys, right? Someone else pointed heading into the ashes and coming out as a phoenix. Interesting, right? There is the bear. Why? Because Mr. Pool pointed to this video, guys, or actually uploaded this video on Twitter, right? And showed that he was the creator of the bear. Why? You guys can see all these different layers that he moved, but I guess you can move those layers if you cut it out, guys, right, and put it back into place. Though I don't know, I'm pretty sure he's the creator, guys, right? Which means it's just one person or an entity, a group of the same people, right? A couple of people, guys, in the same group. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a very beautiful month from Crypto Rob. This is likely and most probably the first time I'm going to literally have a good Christmas in 40 years of my life, he says. Wow. I'm happy, guys. Right? Now, a lot of people are about to become blessed. Now, There will be signs, he then posts. Okay, there will be signs. Wow, this is crazy, guys. Right? Again, so this it seems like every tweet they're tweeting, guys, it's all about Christmas, right? Or Christmassy themed, guys. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff happening here. Number one, people were talking about the full moon, right? And how that's possibly a good sign. Two, well, most of these candles are lit up, guys, right? What do we think? Oh, if you look at the clock as well, it's just an X. Someone pointed out it's X time, right? XRP's time. Look at this. He looks friendly, right? I mean, he looks kind of scary, guys, doesn't he? I don't think that's a bad thing, though, because I'm pretty sure that means coming for the bears, right? The people who are shorting. There will be sacrifices. And those are, I guess it depends on how you perceive it. Bad for bears, good for bulls, right? And ask Grok 2 to decode this picture, guys, right? It's a Christmas setting. If you look at the clock, maybe symbolizes something. Bear in formal attire, full moon, right figure in red with a scythe, guys. Fireplace, a traditional symbol of home, warmth, and safety, and can also represent transformation as fire transforms. Wow! 'Tis the season. Candles often symbolizes light, hope, or guidance, but with a connection to mysticism or esoteric knowledge. 10:30 Leeler comes out to 11:30. Green jacket. Green means go. Oh wow! Right, the glass, guys. Interesting. Now, better look at the crucifix and say a prayer. Rasputin coming for the bears and the memes, right? R, X as in the cross, guys, and then P as in prayer. XRP. Interesting. Right. Nobody gonna mention the Doge dog. I did, coming for the memes. That's why I'm only an XRP, guys, right? I'm only an XRP at this point, with a few different cryptos, but literally, my main coin is XRP, right? Now, so someone wanted to figure out the decode of this image, guys. Now, the bear in his wealthy attire could represent market bears, short sellers who are comfortably celebrating, unaware of what's coming. You don't know why that's really crazy? We're not joking. Is because $702 billion in shorts will be liquidated from $1.96 to $2, and it's only a couple cents away from here, right? Good luck to everyone who's shorting because they believe XRP will dump. I don't think so. This is diabolical, guys, right? Wow. Wow. Because again, the people have trauma, right? XRP for the past 7 years did this, guys. Okay, almost 7 years. 6 and change, guys. 6 years and change. It went up, dumped, up, dumped, up, dumped. Right. It was like a heartbeat that was staying alive, staying afloat. But now, the heartbeat is only one way, and that's up. In a good way. Rasputin. Now, Rasputin in this context could symbolize XRP Ripple, known as a crypto that won't die, similar to his famous resilience. He survived multiple assassination attempts, lawsuits, particularly the SEC case, right, if we connect it to XRP. Interesting. Why? Trump's return heralds litigation piece for crypto. The president-elect's new SEC chair will likely withdraw from lawsuits aimed at forcing crypto to follow Wall Street rules. We won, right? We won. We have literally won because they know Trump is going to change the financial system forever from Ross Vandermeer, right? This is why we call him Donald Pump, guys, right? Donald Pump, XRP at the end, celebrations. There was literally so many warnings, but some saw, many didn't. Just waiting for BlackRock, right? 21 shares has officially filed for a spot XRP ETF. They're all going to come at some point in time, right? New Ripple CTO David Schwartz recently joined the list of tech founders speaking out against Operation Choke Point 2.0, saying the government is addicted to indirect regulation. Right, so these things are going to all come to a conclusion, guys, at some point in time. Right, all roads have an ending, guys. Right, but new roads unfold. As we can see, here's another connection. The dog, right? Mr. Poole once upon a time stated, supernova, expect the unexpected, such as an explosion, right? Maybe a white swan event, guys, imminent. Again, I feel like there is going to be, if you look at the clock, maybe it connects to this, I don't know, right? Possibly. Now, Mr. Poole pinned posts on profile, guys. Is it happening? Right? Is it happening? Is it happening? He says. And the video, let's go check it out right now. Let's see. And then he says there will be signs, right? Signs of what though? This video points to what? A celebration, right? And people are saying this was New Year's, if I'm not mistaken. It's time. It seems as, guys. As soon as we see this, I'm out, right? That's all from me. The rest is you guys have to take the wheel. Cryptomaniac says take risks. Cryptomaniac, I'm literally all in, right? all my chips are all in. What more do I need to do, right? I'm guessing he's talking to others, but this isn't financial advice. At the end of the day, remember, we're talking about bears. Are you serious right now? A bear, a cartoon bear at that? What? Well, tsunami. Oh gosh, no. That happens in the middle of December. I'm ready, as I'll ever be. Why? Because this month is going to be insane for XRP holders. There's a lot of connections pointing to this month, right? From Mr. Poole, Christmas again, a Christmas tree this month. Talking about this month, the first date of crypto regulations coming up is December 15th of 2024. Right? Can you believe that the United States government once claimed that a citizen who discussed cryptography with a non-citizen inside the United States could be guilty of crime? 12/14. Right? The first what is it? Crypto regulations, December 15th, the day after. Someone stole like a zillion Shiba Inu coins today. Losses were estimated at like $1.37. Right? A Black Swan event. Mr. Poole liked these tweets. I wouldn't be holding anything else. This isn't financial advice other than XRP. I do hold a few other coins, but all those coins will be sold off immediately as soon as I see all season or the ending of, and all will be transferred into liquidity, poured into our LUSD. Wait until the storm is over, right? Whatever's incoming, this Black Swan after, and buy more XRP with it. I'm going to be all in at some point, and that's it, right? And that's it. I'm not going to look back again. Many are hyped that XRP will flip Solana. Little do they know that XRP is meant to flip Bitcoin, right? Look at that. XRP is the one I'm only in, guys, right? Or my main holdings, because the regulars have always pointed to it's going to be first place, literally. Why? XRP literally yearly candle close shows there is very little high time frame resistance left, guys. Okay. Look at that. There is none, right? There is no more resistance. That's it. No more pullbacks. It's about to skyrocket, right? So look at this. That's the monthly candle close, guys. But let me show you guys something and why I believe there may be no pullbacks. Why? Look at this. XRP just closed one of these candles, right? This was back in 2017. But the next candle showed a wick. It was bought back up. But wait, no. Because that was on Bitstamp. On Binance, it doesn't even show a wick. What does that mean? There's a guy who sold on Bitstamp that month, guys, back in 2017. Market, right? Market sold. And back then, there was probably not enough liquidity to handle that drop. But now there is, right? So we may not even see a sell side, guys, right? Like how we're seeing right now, it was very tiny. Look at that. So tiny. Check this out. So tiny. Does that not look like this, literally? Right? And this candle's about to turn green and probably make a new all-time high this month. This isn't financial advice, but XRP closes November with a bullish candlestick. It's called this right here, guys. Right? It represents incredible strength and buying pressure, with bulls in complete control. Good luck to everyone. XRP's first monthly close, especially the bears. XRP's first monthly close breakout candle was identical to 2017, guys. It's about to repeat. I told you guys, the cycle is about to repeat. Right? Short-term target, $2.20 perhaps for XRP. Right? Market cap of XRP on the monthly. Look at that. What is that? What is that? Oh my lord. Right? What is this? I don't know, but that's literally a moonshot. Right? Again, the mouth has been open, guys. I repeat, the mouth has been open. We're about to literally skyrocket. Let's go. I'm so excited. Thank goodness we are here. Right? Literally, XRP versus Bitcoin. Look how much more room there is to go up. And people still cannot see. Exactly. 5 trillion. I think 7 will be coming very shortly, because he underpredicted that. Right? Underestimated. 99.86% of XRP is in profit. You guys should all be in profit. I am. BC Backer says, in March, I flew to Australia and spoke on stage in a panel at XRP Gold Coast hosted by Wave of Innov. Meme coins on XRP were inevitable, and Solana users migrating to XRP was inevitable. Wait, we are seeing a snowball effect. Exactly.
Just got launched on the XRP ledger, and I don't know. I don't follow a lot of the content out there. I don't know what the narratives are and if that was supposed to send the price to the moon or not, but it was never my thought that it would initially. But I think it has like this potential that it could. And you see everybody whining and complaining right now. It doesn't matter what ecosystem you're in because of the price of Solana that's been moving up so fast. And what is it? It's a bunch of degens trading meme coins, right? The XRP ledger has a built-in DEX, right? And you can launch coins on the XRP ledger, but if you ever go try to use the DEX, it's so ridiculously illiquid. So you buy $10,000 of any of these coins that are listed on the DEX, you're going to send the price to the moon because the order book is so thin. You go sell $10,000 worth of an asset, you're going to send the price to zero. There's just no liquidity. We haven't had anything like that. And now with these automatic market makers, we can now add liquidity pools, essentially, to all of these assets. And that's what things like Ethereum had for all those meme coins back in 2021. That's what Solana has for all these meme coins now in 2024. And it doesn't matter whether or not you believe in meme coins or you think that's cool or not. The reality is a major portion of the crypto ecosystem does. A lot of the users, a lot of the people who participate in the
Yep, so that's a great industry, guys, I would say, because it attracts retail, right? So whatever can flood in more liquidity, it's a positive at the end of the day. But for me personally, I'm only in XRP right now. Because, I don't know, what if it does go, right, and doesn't stop anytime soon, and XRP is the only coin that takes the stage, guys. Rise. What? Price, our LUSD. Happy December from the View of the Moon. And last but not least, the fountain for today's video. November 2024 has been the month with the most interest in XRP on Google Trends ever. We're breaking records, and we're going to keep breaking records. Let us go. Let us fly. December, you're finally here. Thank goodness. Thank God. Now, financial advice, I'm truly excited for this month indeed. What is that, Sophie's Business? See ya.